Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and this is the Halloween season, so we're going to cover how to make a mask like this with the eyes illuminating, and how we're going to make a costume that is going to be a skeleton like this, holding a box that has the character in the box, which is the real person. So this is going to be like a faux head. So the first thing you need to do, you got to get a mask. Once you got a mask, then and these are just stuck on here just to kind of hold, like there was like a hood or something. These are just double-sided Velcro tape. But then they have these flickering LED lights. These are run from 2 wires that go to a 8 battery, AA battery pack with just some wires spliced together, and then just for funsies, hooked up just a little toggle switch. Again, it's only 2 wires, so pretty cool. So if you wanted to turn the lights off, on. So while the kids are out there trick-or-treating, if it was like a dark street, wasn't a lot of lights on, couldn't really see anything, and then bam, you hit the switch, and then you're like, oh, there's a skeleton with light up eyeballs that are on it. Pretty cool. Then what we have here is a mannequin head, and this is what it looks like. Just like this. I wanted something that was this works great because it's almost like a velvety type material. So not that really matters, but has a hole here. This hole is where the rod, however we do it, is going to have the kind of like the body mechanism. Kind of give an idea from a sizing standpoint, because it really wasn't very specific on the listing for this. So if you do, let's just see, we run the tape, little measuring thing all the way around. So if you have a mask, you want to know if it's going to fit or not. This is right at about 20, almost 20, like 21 3/4 inches all the way around. Kind of give you an idea from that standpoint. But if you're putting this on a mask and it's a little, too small, then you can kind of stuff around it, kind of give you that. But this is what it looks like here. So you can see here the LEDs are just kind of like on there, and they are on wires. So you can see here how the wire just kind of is bent up. And the inside just used black duct tape and kind of stuck the wires all the way in there and were spliced. So if you did want to wear this as an actual mask, if you're wearing it and looking out, the light fixtures, these little LEDs, are protruding this way. And you can see they're strategically a little high up on the mask, so they're still within the whole area of the wear. But when this is being worn, the eyes are usually right here, and the light is not in the user's face. And then if the light is bothering, it's really not, but if the light here was slightly visible inside, I'll flip this inside out, make it a little bit easier. So this is like the back side. So, it's like right here, but with these actually just above the eye's right here, it's not going to bother. But if you're walking around and it was kind of bothering you, you could flip it off. And then when you're getting ready to be near other people, very, very cool. So this is going to be sort of a project that is going to include a whole bunch of stuff, but want to share how all this looks, just to kind of get an idea of not only with the mask, with the lights, battery pack and all that, kind of give you some options along with using this. If you're going to use this as a head, this works perfect. You just slide it over, you're good to go. Hopefully that helps for now. Talk to you soon.